Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antor news.
Kublai bhi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamda kasngi. Kakin hun cabinet ka sarkar MDA kalawan ra ka jingkala na kabenta ka exam MBoSE men ha kasngi thoding. Ya gati ka jingpen kala ka sarkar MDA ha ka jingelam u konrad ki sangma CM la menjur yathu menteri katnat puli puthi ka jilla urakam isangma ha ka jinge kendo yakilat pathai khubor. Kajing temu kalong ban ailat iki samla puli ki basyaban fail kinyo ya khun biang ya ka board exam tang hapo ka shibnai lane arbnai hadien bakila syabat ha ka examen. Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education MBoSE kala penkret lut nadong hadong ha ka ban pelong no artali ki board exam ha ka shisnem ka ban sedang naduh snem arhajar arhusan. Kani karai jungkatnat puli puthi kelawan da kabapen kala ya ka Meghalaya Board of School Education Regulation for Secondary School Leaving Certificate Examination arhajar khatway. Karai bathamai ke MBoSE kan pelong no artali ki board exam ha ka shisnem naduh snem puli arhajar arpsau syakman ong menteri katnat puli puthi urakam isangma. Ka board exam beningkong kan long no haubnai rimpang nis dang tayo ulber bad ka board exam ka baar kan long na ka benta gitu ki besyabat habaro ki subject lane ka way lane ar lightly ki subject on sha yaki bakin yakon ya ka board exam hapo ka shibnai lane arbnai aa kata ka mud hapo ubnai jimmang ulaong. Kadkum ka jingong menteri ka rai jeng ka sarkar jilla ka dei ka bayat kadkum ka National Education Policy NEP. Ya kani lale ban kershani ki samla puli namar menta ka supplementary exam ki dei ki ba pynlong hadien ka shisnem. Henry menta ka supplementary exam kan long no hapo uju usnem ban pelat yaki kena kelas 10 na ka jingsep ai kai shisnem ong umentri. Urakam ula pentip ru khnang ban tingkai kapor khnang bakit samla puli kini ban rung kelas ha kisnem ban wan le si ha usnem arajar arpsan arajar arpnriu ka board exam beningkong kan long ha ubnai no pra le si ha katayo balai ne ka basau jong uno pra arajar arphusan. Ka board exam ka baar kan long ha ubnai rimpang lane leber arhajar arpnriu. Henry ya uni usnem puli bamenta on pelong ya baro artali ki exam hapo ubnai rimpang bat jemang. Ha kaju kapor umentri ula pentip bakanum don syu ru ka optional paper lane best of 5 nadu usnem puli jong usnem arhajar arpnriu bat usnem arhajar arpnyo. Nadu usnem puli arhajar arpnriu arhajar arpnyo baro ki samla puli ken hak ban pas ya baro hnriu teli ki subject ha ka exam jong ka board ulaong.
As I've said, the Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill 2024, where only the age of chairman from 65 to 70 has been approved, that's all. And in the Benami Act, there may be any complaint for any issues that they can at the DC of the concerned district will be the authority to receive. And but mostly number 5 and 6, like there was no service rule for the teachers and the principals working in Meghalaya public schools and the different public schools of the state. Now we have approved. Yeah, and number last is very important. The from next academic year 2025 onwards, Meghalaya Board of School will be having 2 board examination in a year. So like the main exam, the first exam, board exam, will be held in the month of February or early of the March. And second exam, for those who fail all the subjects, those who fail in 1 or 2 or 3 subjects, they will be allowed to reappear within a 2 months time. So within the May. From on 2025, the first Meghalaya Board of School examination for class 10 will be held in the month of the early of the February 2025, and the result will be declared early as possible. The second re-examination, for we can call it supplementary, for all those fail students and for all those fail in 1 or 2 or 3 subjects, they can reappear within the month of first week of May. But in order to save the time for the admission in the years to come, maybe in 2025-26 academic year, the first board exam will happen in the month of December itself. December, maybe the third week or fourth week of December 2026. 2025. The second board exam will be maybe in the February or March 2026. But for this academic year, 2025, within the February and the May, we'll be having the two board examination. So that this all has been done to support the students, because now the supplementary examination used to help after the 1 year gap time. But now the supplementary examination will be held within the same academic year to save the 1 year